How many non-Muslims live in Somalia?
Alhamdulillah, every single Somali tribe is Muslim. Every single Somali, Alhamdulillah.
What do you mean, Alhamdulillah?
Yes, thank God most residents of Somalia are Muslims, of which some sources state that Sunnism is the stream practiced by 99% of the population, whereof in particular the Shafi school of Islamic jurisprudence is practiced. As the horn was located to the east of sun-worshipping Egypt, the horn being associated with the sunrise was then referred to as Kodslan during the Puntite period, arguably referring to deities such as Ra. Islam entered the region very early on, shortly after the Hijra. The Tumirab Masjid al-Qiblatain dates to the 7th century and is the oldest mosque in the country. In the late 9th century, Al-Yaqubi wrote that Muslims were living along the northern Somali seaboard